What is good, YouTube? We're back again with another video. So today I'm actually gonna be doing a mod to the SI. As you guys have seen in the playlist, I've shown you guys my whole build on the SI. I also showed you guys taking off my Buddy Club Spec 2 exhaust. I ended up taking off my Acuity short shifter, sold it to my friend Anthony with another FP6, which he no longer has, which he now passed on to another friend of ours, but whatever. I couldn't deal without having a short shifter, so I had to buy it back from him, and I did that install video for you guys. If you guys want to check that out, it's also in the FP6 playlist. But today I am coming back to you guys with another video for the FP6. So I got right here a Hasport upper torque mount. It's the 70A stiffness, I guess you could call it. But yeah, I'm gonna be installing that in this video right now with you guys. Just a little easy mod, start off the build. I got it for a great deal, so I was like, you know what, I can't pass up on this. But yeah, I just got a few things to update you guys on, and this clip's getting a little bit too long, so I'm gonna just start a new clip. Alright, so the SI was fully modified at one point. This was like my daily fun car, whatever you guys want to call it. I ended up getting the EK. I'm doing a 2420, as you guys know, in Project Green Tea. So I was like, I need a reliable daily, and I don't want to deal with no issues and having two modded cars. I haven't updated you guys on Project Green Tea in a long time. So Project Green Tea, I have almost basically every part that I need to complete the build. Motor, trans, I'm almost picking up from Tri-State. I'm just still gathering the funds for that. But that build's basically done. I just got to get the car painted. That's not in my budget right now, and I told myself that I was going to be taking a break from cars and spending and stuff like that on cars after I get the transmission, but I don't want to go another season without popping out. So I have to bring out the SI this season. I'm doing simple things. I didn't plan on doing this motor mount. I got this because it was a good deal from a homie. His name's Adam. Shout out to you, bro. Thank you so much for that, for this deal. I appreciate you. So my main goal for the SI this season is exhaust, coilovers, and wheels. Simple. That's it. That's all I want to do to the SI. Exhaust, I'm feeling a full race exhaust. Coilovers, I'm gonna go with Skunk 2 Pro STs. Wheels, Koenig wheels. I think they're the Hypergrams. I want to go with a bronze look. So stay tuned for all of this coming up soon, hopefully for this coming season. You guys can count on it. And eventually one day, this SI will be full bolt-on. I will promise you guys that. This will be a full bolt-on SI eventually one day. I mean, I know that it's not going to make that much power, but I have my EK also. You guys got to remember that. And that's my main priority, and that's my main build. This is just my daily / fun car. But let's get into the video. I'm about to head over to meet up with my boy Anthony, and we're about to get this installed for you. It's a super quick, easy install. Anybody could do it. It's literally 3 bolts. Take out the original mount, slide it in, put the bolts back in. That's it. Super easy. Let's get to that now. Alright guys, so it's literally just this bolt, and this bolt. That's literally all we're doing. This is the mount. I got my new mount right there on the roof of the car. Yeah, we're about to swap that out.
I believe the other ones are 14.
Alright guys, so I just put a jack on the oil pan just to keep it at the same level when we take this off so it doesn't drop. I got a 17 right here for this big one right here. And it's also 17 right here. So we're about to get these off right now. Alright guys, we're about to get this guy off. Boom. One off. this little guy. And I'm leaving them in order as I go. I might need an extension, actually. I don't know.
Yeah.
Fuck. That shit ain't going nowhere. Nah. Just to spread out. Boom. All right, now we transfer over to the gun. And that's all she wrote. Experiencing some technical difficulties today. That's it. And crusty, dusty motor mount is out. Let's go get this new one. Beautiful. Nice and easy. Why is these not lining up though? All right guys, so as you see, Hasport letters have to face upwards for the install, all right? Make sure all the bolts line up. Nice and easy. All right, I'm gonna drop in this big one, this little guy, and this little guy. I'm gonna start the threads on all of them before anything, and I'm gonna get back to you guys after this is all torqued down again. All right, but remember, 1, 2, 3. All right guys, so it's been about 3 hours now for a 10-minute job. This boy Anthony lost my 17, not a 10 this time. I know everybody loses a 10, but we lost a 17. So now I'm doing this shit manually. Hard labor. All right, that's it. This is done. Let's see how this shit is.
Look. Good.
All right, guys, so we're about to feel the difference. I feel the difference a little bit. Feel a little difference. Nothing crazy. All right, let's show them something. Turn it off. Alright guys, so we did the install. Anthony lost the 17. It ended up being a little bit harder than I thought. I saw a couple videos on the install, even though I already knew how to do it. But in the videos, it made it seem like it was so much easier. But just lining up all the holes and stuff to get the bolts in was a very hard process. But other than that, it feels great. I do definitely feel a difference. If you guys want a stiff ride all around, I suggest upgrading all your mounts all around. But for now, this was just a cheap, easy first mod for me to do. Throw some content out there for you guys. And yeah, that's it. But I definitely feel a difference. And I wish you guys could like feel it, but I definitely feel it. But all right guys, it was nice making a video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Show some love to the channel. Share it with your friends. Let everybody know to subscribe. Check out the videos. Show some love. Good night, guys.